As the temperatures start to drop and those cozy fall vibes start to roll in, it's time to reset our homes for the cooler months ahead. Today, I'm sharing practical, simple ways to prep your home for fall. No climbing on the roofs or cleaning out gutters are required here. And stick around, because one of these tips could save your home from an invasion of unwanted pests this winter. Trust me, it's one you don't want to skip. Hi friends, welcome back to Home Reimagined. I'm Jacqueline, and today we are walking through my exact process to transition my home from summer to fall, while keeping it clean, cozy, and ready for those cooler days ahead. So let's dive on in. Let's start with packing away anything summer related that you won't be using until next year. That could be things like outdoor cushions and patio furniture, summer toys like sprinklers or pool gear, and even summer-specific decor or tableware. I like to store everything together in storage bins or storage bags so it's ready to go for next year without me having to hunt for it. And don't forget to add those silica little gel pods or moisture wicking pods to avoid finding mold and mildew inside them in the spring. This also applies to your closet. It's time to switch out your wardrobe. I love pulling out my cozy sweaters and heavier bedding while tucking away swimsuits, shorts, and summer dresses that I won't need till next year. Pro tip, take a few minutes to declutter as you go. If you didn't wear it all summer, you probably won't need to store it for next year. You're not going to wear it again. Before you start cozying up your space, it's the perfect time to do a reset cleaning. Some things to focus on this time of year are washing throw blankets and pillow covers, clean your rugs and vacuum underneath your furniture, wipe down baseboards and windowsills, and give your kitchen a good refresh before all of that holiday cooking will begin. Now, here's a big one that a lot of people forget: pest prevention. As it gets colder, bugs and pests are looking for a warm, cozy spot to spend the winter. And unfortunately, that's oftentimes your home. I've partnered with Liquid Death Solutions to show you the exact kit that I'll be using this year to create a strong barrier around my home. What I love about this kit, that it's professional grade, the exact same one that the pros use, but you can actually apply it yourself and save a ton of money. They even include how-to videos so you know exactly what to do step by step. Getting this done before winter hits means that you're stopping the bugs before they ever get inside, which is way easier than trying to deal with an infestation later. I have a special discount code for you guys and the product link below in the description of this video, so you can grab one for your own home. When seasons change, it's a good reminder to go ahead and change out that HVAC systems and anything that works for it. Otherwise, I never remember when I last swapped out these HVAC filters. Before the winter months start, make sure to change out your air filters on your HVAC for cleaner air and better efficiency. Check your thermostat settings. If you have programmable thermostats, this is a great time to set up your new program with adjusted heat settings for your comfort. Bring out cozy rugs or heavier curtains to help insulate and create warmth inside your home, sealing the hot air in and keeping the cool air out. Last, once everything's cleaned and prepped, take a few minutes to make your home feel cozy. Pull out those warm decorative blankets, light a fall candle, and swap out a few decorative touches. It's amazing how just a few small changes can make your home feel so much more ready for the season. And that's it, a few simple ways to prep your home for fall without the overwhelm. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagined for more cleaning, home, and organization content. And grab your Liquid Death Solutions kit using the link and discount code in the description below. It's seriously a game changer for protecting your home this season. Now, tell me in the comments, what is the first thing you're doing to get your home fall ready? I love hearing how you guys transition your homes during this time of the year. Thanks so much for watching. Happy cleaning.